So if you're hearing a horrible metallic grinding noise coming from your Tesla wheels that sounds like this, then I think I've got the fix for you. It's likely that a small stone or some debris has got into the brake disc cover, so you just need to ease this out as gently as you can do. Step 1, remove the aero cover, and step 2 is to flex that brake disc cover at different points around it just to ease this stone out. Eventually this stone will drop out or the debris will clear and you'll be good to go in no time. Please drop a like if this video has helped you out, and if you want to see the full video of me removing the debris from my brake disc cover, then please subscribe to the channel, go to the video section and have a look at the full removal video. Peace out.